Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to disable YouTube Shorts. So let's get right into it. Head over to your YouTube application, then head over to your account, and then just go to the settings option and click on General. Here, if you scroll down, you will see an option Playback in Feeds. Click on that and click on Off. And then you'll just able to you have just turned off your YouTube Shorts. And if the YouTube Shorts are coming in here, all you need to do is click on the three dots and hide them. And there you'll be able to just hide or delete your YouTube Shorts settings. This is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we will see you in the next one.